What's cooking, food lovers? It's Ria Adele, and today we're diving into the most wild food trends that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. First up, let's talk celebrity cuisine. Ever wondered what it's like to eat like Kamala Harris and Donald Trump for an entire day? Spoiler alert, it's a roller coaster of flavors that'll have you questioning everything you know about political palates. Swifties, this one's for you! We're breaking down all the treats fans are munching on during Taylor Swift's Eras Tour. From tater tots, see what they did there, to sweet nothing cookies, it's a culinary concert you don't want to miss. Random food hack alert, frozen cucumbers and tomatoes? Game changer. Trust me, your snack game is about to level up. Move over, seafood towers. Seafood trays are taking over. And speaking of unique eats, did you know Saoirse Ronan's favorite snack is coated with the most polarizing ingredient? Drama on a plate, people! My fashion-forward sister RJ is serving looks, and I'm serving food. For our ultimate Christmas vibe, I've got a brunch menu that'll make Santa jealous. Fluffy pancakes, festive waffles, and holiday mimosas that'll make your morning merrier than a Christmas morning. New Year's Eve coming up? I've got midnight snack ideas that'll make your party pop. Sliders, mini pizzas, gourmet popcorn with toppings so crazy, they'll be the talk of the night. Pro tip: if you're a New England Patriots fan, I've got a football season food guide that'll have you scoring touchdowns in the kitchen. Remember, life's too short for boring food and bad outfits. Stay spicy, stay stylish, and let's make every meal an adventure. Love you, RJ. Can't wait to see what fabulous outfit you'll be wearing while eating these epic snacks.